Man, go ahead, man. Don't do him like that, man.
No, don't you do them like that. Look, people got to be careful what they ask for. Go and get him early. Defending in bad, Trey. Be pretty good. You might not get another shot. You shouldn't have said recorded. You should have just. No, you got to get him. Okay.
I ain't that good with my left hand all the time.
They beat you, then they gonna get me. You got. Sometimes you got to show kids.
Yeah.
No, with your eyes closed. Yeah, because you got to hit that kind of stuff. Hey, you got to hit layups. Right? You got to hit layups, Trey. That's a layup. Can't miss layups. Can't miss layups. That was good defense, Trey. That was good defense. He ain't got a shot.
You want to get all the balls out of the way, man. There you go. Oh, great shot, man.
Good shot, Trey. Yeah, that was gonna be hard right there. Better hit them layups though. You gotta hit the easy shots. No, don't do that.
He said nah.
Hey, no, don't do that one.
He said nah. He said nah.
No, he ain't crazy.
Let me go and shoot right now. Let me go and shoot right now.
We was in school. That was his shot. So we touched that ball.
Right now. Oh, I missed a duck.
He missing layups right now.
All right, let me get my head in the game, man. Head in the game.
Woo! Okay, Trey. Hey, he got a great recording right now.
Right, great recording. Oh, recording. I'm gonna bring up.
Your shot. He didn't call that. He called a bad hole.
I did not call that.
Okay. Hey, you'd hit that one right there. No, you ain't. That's gonna be hard. That's too hard. And the thing about it, the defense so good, he missed the shot and still played defense.
That was by accident. That was pure luck right there, man. What you gonna do, man? 6 ball, right? 6 ball, what you gonna do? What you call? No, you can't hit the 13. You can't hit the 13 to the 3. You gotta hit your ball first. You gotta shoot this one, that one, or that one. If you hit mine, I'm gonna shoot this.
Yeah. So if you hit his ball and your ball go in, it's his shot.
My shot. Yeah,
You can't hit his ball first.
yeah, so you gotta shoot this 6 right here, probably.
But if you hit his ball first and it goes in, then it's his shot.
Yeah.
Even if it go in.
Hey, and then I'm gonna win. I'm gonna hit this one in there, then I'm gonna hit that one down. So shoot the 6 ball.
How to hit that combination.
6 ball is the best shot. Everybody else where it is, right? Defense, ain't it?
Yeah, I would have hit his ball. I would have hit his ball first to your ball. That way, if it went in, you got a ball in. See what I'm saying?
All right, 13 in the total, man.
If it wouldn't have hit that ball, oh, ain't that something? Yeah, he called it.
Oh, hold on.
You said in that corner or that corner?
I did say that corner, but it went in. I don't know, was that a legit shot?
That's y'all playing.
I wanted to go here, yeah. That is great, man.
That's what I say. You should have went ahead and hit the ball off his ball.
What you think of it?
And then if it went in, there's been one less ball on the table. Yeah, that's all right.
Since I messed that up, I don't think I did a good shot.
That's because you play pool.
Because
And then you're talking about I would have hit your ball to his ball, and I'd have gave you the next shot. I don't care.
oh, then yeah, right. Oh, right there, I got it. Yeah, you should have done it.
The game of pool is about knocking balls off the court.
Right, that's true. That's true.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't know about that. I wouldn't even look at that ball when it fell off. I didn't know it fell.
Yeah, I'm about to turn your video off. I'm finna play you.
No.
There you go. Turn it off.
No.